If you're struggling with diabetes and high blood pressure, you're not alone. Millions of people around the world are fighting these same battles every day, and it's no secret that they can have a devastating impact on our overall health and well-being. But what if I told you that there's a way to reverse diabetes and lower blood pressure in just a matter of days, using only 5 simple ingredients? Sounds too good to be true, right? But trust me, it's not. Diabetes and high blood pressure are 2 of the most prevalent health conditions of our time, and they're often linked. When we eat high-carb diets, our bodies have to work overtime to produce insulin, which can lead to insulin resistance and eventually type 2 diabetes. And if left unchecked, high blood pressure can lead to heart disease, stroke, and even kidney failure. The risks are real and they're scary, but the good news is that we have the power to take control of our health, and it starts with the food we put on our plates. The statistics are staggering. In the United States alone, over 34 million people have diabetes, and another 88 million are living with prediabetes. And when it comes to high blood pressure, 1 in 3 adults has it, and it's responsible for over 1,000 deaths every day. These numbers are staggering, and they're only getting worse. But I'm here to tell you that there's hope. By making a few simple changes to our diets, we can reverse these conditions and take back our health. Let's talk about the 5 ingredients that make up this miracle diet. First, we have leafy greens like kale and spinach. These guys are packed with antioxidants and fiber, which help to lower blood pressure and regulate blood sugar levels. Next, we have berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, you name it. Berries are some of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet, and they're particularly effective at reducing inflammation and improving insulin sensitivity. Third, we have fatty fish like salmon and tuna. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help to reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Fourth, we have sweet potatoes. They're rich in fiber and vitamins, and they're one of the best foods you can eat for regulating blood sugar levels. And finally, we have nuts and seeds like almonds and chia seeds. These guys are packed with healthy fats and protein, which help to keep us full and satisfied, and they're also rich in antioxidants and fiber. I want to leave you with a recap of what we've covered today. We've talked about the growing prevalence of diabetes and high blood pressure, and we've explored the 5 simple ingredients that can help to reverse these conditions. And finally, I want to leave you with a challenge. I want to encourage you to try this diet for yourself and see the difference it can make in your life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment below with your experiences, questions, or thoughts on this diet. And if you want to learn more about healthy eating and natural health remedies, be sure to check out my other video on the benefits of intermittent fasting.